How to fix Windows security not opening on Windows. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this problem. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and open up the settings menu. So if you try to open up your Windows security and if it keeps closing down, so let me just search for Windows security right here. So if I just open this up and it keeps closing down, then in that case, you have to go to the apps, go to installed apps, and then find in Windows Security here. So let me just scroll down and just find the Windows Security. If you're not able to see it, just go ahead and search for it. So let me just search security. If you don't find it, go back and then click on default apps, search for security. And once you find Windows Security, all you have to do here is just click on it. And then from there, you are just going to have to go to Advanced Settings. So now you're going to have to go back to this. And if you find Windows Security here, just tap on the three dots and you should be able to see advanced option like this. Then you can reset and repair the app. After doing that, just go back and then you'll have to check for background apps. So just search for background app. If you're not able to find it, go to the privacy and security tab, scroll down, and then here you should see the background apps, and then you're going to have to stop it. Then go here, check for app permissions. Make sure the location permissions is turned on as well as all of these necessary permissions. And then finally, you're going to have to run a troubleshooter. Go to System, go to Troubleshoot, and then Other Troubleshooter. So find the Windows Security Troubleshooter. So here, I'm not able to see it because I don't think I have any problem with my Windows security. But if you're facing any problem with your Windows security, just click on Run. You'll find the troubleshooter, and then it should fix your problem by itself. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.